Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to recover WhatsApp View Once photo. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up the WhatsApp app and then just go ahead over to settings. Okay. For iOS, it may be right here, the three dots, tap on settings. Now for Android, you have your profile right here at the bottom right. Just tap on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, scroll down a bit and find storage and data. Okay. Tap on manage storage. Down here, go ahead and tap on the chat where you wanted to recover the View Once photo, for example, this one. So I'm going to tap on this contact and then find the specific photo. If you can't see it right here, your chats may have been already backed up. So what you can do is go ahead over to the settings section once more, right in here, and then just tap on chats. Now go ahead and scroll down a bit and find chat backup. Okay. Review the last backup right here. Let's say, for example, you have seen the View Once photo at 12:21 or 22. Okay, well, that means that View Once photo will still backed up. So what you can do is just go ahead and reinstall WhatsApp. Okay, close it entirely. Tap and hold, uninstall or delete. Now go ahead and find Play Store or your App Store. Reinstall it once more. Okay. Install it, and after that, open it up, and it will ask you to continue with your backup. So go ahead and hit on that option, and then log in with your account. And after that, you would still be able to see the View Once photo. And that is it. That is how you recover WhatsApp View Once photo. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.